Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a core skill for anyone keen to master trading, measuring pips and points on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear and practical understanding of how to accurately measure pips and points right in your charts, a must-have for tracking your trades, setting targets, and managing risk. So let's launch right into it and see just how simple this process can be. Alright, first things first, let's head over to TradingView. If you're new to this platform, just open up your browser and head to TradingView.com. TradingView is a fantastic tool for traders of all skill levels, and its charting features are top-notch. Once you're on the homepage, don't get intimidated by all the market data and widgets you'll see. We're going to navigate exactly where you need to go. Now at the top of the TradingView site, you'll see a menu labeled Products. Go ahead and click on it. This area gives you access to a range of TradingView's features, but for today's tutorial, we're focusing on the charting tools for measuring pips and points. If it's your first time here, take a moment to glance around and get familiar with the layout. Next, look for the toolbars typically organized around the chart itself, usually on the left-hand side if you're using the default layout. One of the essential tools for measuring is called the long position tool. You'll recognize it by its icon showing an upward arrow on a little box. Click on this. What this tool does is let you visually map out what a trade would look like, including your entry, target, and stop, all with real-time calculation of how many pips or points are involved. It's incredibly useful if you're considering opening a trade and want an at-a-glance idea of your risk and reward. With the long position tool selected, click anywhere on your chart grid to drop it in. When you do this, a little display pops up at the top middle of your chart window, showing the number of pips. That's our main focus. Pips are effectively the smallest price change unit in Forex trading, and points are a similar concept applied to other assets. Seeing these values instantly can save you a ton of time compared to manual calculation. Now, if you're curious, let's compare what the long position tool shows to TradingView, line info tool for another perspective. Find the line or ruler icon on your toolbar. This lets you measure distances between any 2 points on your chart. Go ahead and align this tool over the same price movement you marked with the long position. You'll notice the pips or points shown are very similar, sometimes even identical. This is because both tools are referencing the same price data, so you can rely on either method to measure accurately. I find the long position tool great for visualizing trades, while the line info tool is perfect for quick checks between any 2 price levels. Take a moment here to try them both. It might take a few clicks to get the hang of aligning things, and that's totally normal. Remember, the more comfortable you get with these tools, the quicker you'll be able to size up opportunities or double-check your calculations during live trading. And just like that, you now know how to measure pips on TradingView. It's a straightforward process, but absolutely powerful once you start using it in your trading routine. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you've got any questions about TradingView or measuring pips and points, leave a comment below. I read every one and I'm happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my upcoming trading tips and platform walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.